Hi, it's Lauren and Lewis and welcome to day 11 of our van build. Up till now we've been focusing on the back of the van and we'd completely neglected the front, so we ripped this out, gave it a good clean, and now it's time to rebuild the cab area. We started by installing some new door seals which we'd bought from eBay. The old ones were really easy to just rip out, and then the new ones were going on nice and smoothly up until we hit the area behind the dash. I'm sure there's ways to rip out all of this, but we really wanted to avoid having to do that, so we ended up sliding it through like you can see in this clip here. It wasn't ideal and it did take a lot of time. We also didn't want to break the new door seals, so this was not a fun job, to be honest. Something that maybe should have taken about 10 minutes ended up taking over an hour. That is literally what happens with every job that we start on this van build, but we did get there in the end and they're looking good now. Hopefully replacing them avoids any future leaks. We did find we had to trim them down a little bit, so that's what we're doing here. Once that was done, they fitted well. This is what our cab area is looking like now that we've given it a good clean and treated any rust. The existing mat was wet from previous leaks, so we'd had this dry out over a couple of weeks. We put that back in, as well as rebuilding the dash and all the bits that we'd taken out. This included the door steps which needed putting back in. This is what we were then looking like, and we had a few new things to fit in as well. First up was an extra mat. Again, we just got this from eBay. It's for a Ford Transit Mark 7, but because we've ripped out our dual passenger seat and replaced it with a single, it definitely doesn't fit perfectly, but it does the job as an extra layer of protection. We then fitted these, and I've not a clue what they're called. They're like an extra piece near the step area, again just for added protection. This is what we're looking like at the end. Make sure to follow along to see what we do next.